Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how we can get a ServiceNow instance in 2026. ServiceNow has changed its website's user interface, so we are going to see how we can access a new instance in ServiceNow. After that, we are going to see how we can manage ServiceNow instance, and we are going to talk about the user interface that has been changed. Next, once we get our ServiceNow instance, then we are going to create a user account. If you wanted to work with admin account, you can work with admin account, but if you wanted to work with your personal user account, then we are going to create a new user account with the roles that we have to give, the correct roles, and secondly, we are going to see how we can set a password of a particular user account. Okay, so let's start the video of it. In the search box, we are going to type ServiceNow developer, hit enter, and we are going to see developer.servicenow.com. Click on this link, ServiceNow developers. Now you can see this is the new user interface of ServiceNow website. Now let's get a new ServiceNow instance. To get a new ServiceNow instance, click on this sign in link. Okay. If you have already signed in or you have a ServiceNow ID, then you can use that particular credentials to sign in. But if you don't have, then you have to sign up. Then you have to click on new user, get a ServiceNow ID. Once you click on this, you are going to be presented with a form. You fill up this form and you sign up. Okay. Right now we have an account, so we are going to sign in to an existing account. Let's quickly do that. So you have to give your email ID and the password, then you sign in. Okay, once you sign in, you can see you have a request instance button available on the top right corner. Okay, you click on this. Now you're going to see we have instances available. Now according to your requirement, you can choose your instance. We are going to select the latest release, Australia. Click on this and request instance. There will be a message being displayed. We are processing your request. This will only take a few seconds. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds, and after that we are going to refresh this page. Okay, let's refresh this page. Let's see if our instance is, yes, it is ready. Now you can see that user interface is changed. We have different ways of accessing new instance, and this is the way we are getting a new instance. Okay, now we are going to talk about user interface of it. Now you can see we have your instance here. You can see build engine installed, ServiceNow Studio installed, App Engine Studio installed. What is your release version of your instance URL, admin, your password, current password. On the right side you can see useful links. Okay, you can click and get the details if you want anything from these links. Okay, now if we scroll down, you're going to see plugins for your instance. So these are the available plugins that are active or not activated. So you can see there is a badge, not activated, not activated. You can activate it according to your requirement. Okay, you can search any plugin, you can sort it, you can filter it according to activated, not activated, activation failed. You can filter according to the demo data, with demo data, without demo data. Okay, now how you're going to manage your instance. So if you see, this is your instance URL and there is a gray icon. Click on this icon. You're going to see you can reset your instance password. You can email your login credentials. So if you wanted your login credential on your email, you click on this and that will be sent to your particular email which you have signed in. You can manage email properties to receive emails or not to receive emails. If you click here, so you can see enable sending and receiving of emails to your email. Okay, close this. Now on the right side you can see there is an actions button available. If you click on this, you're going to see you can release your instance. If you're not using an instance or any other reason, you can click here and you can select that particular reason and you can release your instance. Next up is that you can change the user role. Right now you are admin. If you want, you can use App Engine Studio Creator role also. Okay. Next, you want to remove demo data, but demo data is very helpful because it helps you to explore your ServiceNow instance with the help of demo data that has been given by ServiceNow instance out of the box. If you click on this, you're going to see explanation of that demo data includes user groups. If you remove it, it will remove each and everything which has been coming out of the box. Okay. Next up is reset and wipe instance. So if you wanted to reset your wipe your instance or out of the box settings back, reset your instance to its out of the box settings, you can do it with the help of this. If you wanted to keep your name instance, you can keep your name of the instance. If you wanted to give up a instance name and get a new one, you can definitely do it with the help of this. Next up is that you can click on view history. If you have done anything in your instance like installation of plugins or any kind of activities, so that particular operations will come up here. All the actions will be appearing here. Okay, so that's how you can manage your instance. Now let's see how to open your instance. There are two ways right now to open your instance. Is that you can click on a start building button or you can click on this icon, instance URL icon. Both of these are going to open your instance as a new tab. So if you click on this, you can see it's going to take us to a new page, a new tab. Okay, similarly if we click on start building, it is also going to open in a new tab. Okay, now if you remember, we are reached to this particular page by clicking on request instance button. Now if we go back to that particular page, click on developer link. Now if you have an instance and you are logged in again, you're going to see two buttons available, manage instance and start building. Okay, if you click on this button, then you will be redirected to this particular page. Okay, and if you click on start building, then it's going to take you to your instance directly. Okay, so let's go back to manage instance page, and we have showcased that how you can open your instance. Okay, now let's close these two tabs. Now we are going to create a user account that will be dedicated to your account, means you can create your own account in it, and we are going to give correct roles and how to set a password of that particular account. What you have to do is that you have to click on all navigation menu, and here in the filter navigator type sys_user.list in capital. It's going to open list of records of users in new tab. Now here click on new button. Okay, now you can give your user ID, first name, last name. So we are going to quickly give that. First name, last name. Okay, and we are going to save this. Now we are going to provide roles to this particular user. If we scroll down, you're going to see roles. Click on edit button, and here we are going to provide admin role. So this user will also behave as an admin. We are going to save this, and we are going to provide security admin role. So let's quickly go back to that page again. Click on edit button, security, and now you can see that security admin role is not available. We have to elevate roles. So click on profile icon and click on elevate role. Click on this checkbox and update. Okay, now let's go back to roles, refresh this. Now if we type security Now here you can see security admin is available. Let's give this user security admin. Security admin role is useful for access controls. Without this, you cannot update or edit any access control. Okay. Now we have given users correct roles that we have to give to work it as an admin, and now we are going to set password of it. So firstly, if the user logged in, they have to change their password. So check this checkbox, password needs reset. Okay, now save this. On the top right corner, you're going to see set password button. Click on this. Now click on generate button. It is going to generate a password. It says password generated successfully. Click on this copy password button. Once we click on this, it says password copied successfully, and save this password in a Word file or in a notes somewhere, so that once you log in again, you can paste this particular password. Now you are going to save this password. Click on this save password button. So it says password saved successfully. Okay. Now let's close this. So we are going to click on close button. Okay. Now we have successfully created a user account. Now let's log in with this user account and reset password. Close this tab and we are going to log out. Now username is your user ID which you have provided. Okay. Password, we are going to type, or we are going to paste that password that we have copied. So we are going to right click, paste. Now we are going to click on login button. Now you can see it has taken us to change password because we have selected that particular checkbox. Password needs reset. So current password, Control plus V, scroll down, and new password. The password that you're going to create must fulfill these requirements. Okay, so we are going to create a password quickly. Now we are going to click on submit button. And you can see that we have logged in with that particular user account. And we can also verify that it has security admin role because we have this particular option available, elevate role. Okay, in this video we have seen how to get a new instance and how to manage our instance and how to create a new user in ServiceNow instance. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like this video, do share the videos with others. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.